Hello, my name is Megan Clark. This is my presentation over 3.7 What to Do Car Loans for Dr. Aguirre's Math in the Modern World class on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 1:30 to 2:55. Your situation is you're shopping for a car for $20,000 and have enough money in your account to pay up front, but the salesman says he can get you a lower interest loan, 2.5% for 3 years. He argues that if you do this and invest your $20,000 at a higher interest rate, you will come out ahead. Is he right? You are smart and know the lenders always charge fees, so you ask, what are the fees for the loan? After rummaging around in the back room, the salesman comes back and says you'd have a 2% fee, which would be added to the total loan amount. So, if you were to take the loan, A, how much is the total loan? Fees included. To solve that, we take the $20,000 for the car and add the 2% fee, which is 2% of that 20,000 to that original 20,000 to get a total of $20,400. And your monthly payments for this loan. So as you can see, we have a nice little formula. Love it so much. And when you plug in all your numbers, or when you rearrange it to get D on its own, you get this nice equation, which when you solve, gives you $588.77 per month. C is how much would you pay over the course of this loan? And this is a 3-year loan paid monthly, so 3 times 12 being 36 would get multiplied by the $588.77, giving you $21,195.72 in total getting paid. So if you take the loan, you can put the $20,000 in your bank account straight into the index funds, averaging a 5% annual interest rate when compounded monthly. So how much would this investment be worth after 3 years? To solve that, we use this lovely equation, P naught equals P0 times 1 plus the rate over how many times compounded per year, raised to the power of how many times compounded per year times how many years. And that gets you 20,000 times 1 plus 0.05 over 12 to the 3 times 12 power. And your answer for that is $23,229.44. That's how much putting $20,000 in the bank account with a 5% annual interest rate would get you in 3 years. However, if you don't take the loan, you don't have a monthly payment, and you can therefore invest that same amount of money in each month, the $588.77. So if you invest the same payment you would have been making from Part A, the $588.77 each month into the 5% annual interest compounded monthly account, how would this fund be worth after 3 years? Again, wonderful equation. Not going to read it this time. When you put in your numbers, you get, another wonderful equation, which I'm also not going to read. And your solution to this equation is $22,816.80. So for the final part, was the salesman right? Which option is better, and by how much would you come out ahead? The salesman was ultimately correct. It's almost like it's his job or something. By taking the loan and allowing the $20,000 to go into your bank account straight into index funds, averaging a 5% annual interest rate compounded monthly, you would come out with $412.64 more than if you did not take the loan and instead invested that payment into index funds each month, earning the 5% annual interest compounded monthly. Shown by this lovely equation. There we go. And that's all I've had.